Hello everybody, I had Kahoot, and Kahoot is a game-based learning platform that is easy for teachers to create quizzes, practice exams, or reviewing materials that students have learned. Class integration, they use Kahoot in schools because it's an engaging and fun way to learn or review. You can review for quizzes or exams on Kahoot, which used to help me a lot in class. You can even just use it for a warm-up of the day. Like, I had a teacher that would post like a Kahoot question, and then we would all do it for the first 5 minutes of the day. Features and functions, it's easier for students to navigate and create quizzes and reviews, which I will be getting to that. Students can create their own character for the game, which can be fun and engaging. It's multiple choice and true or false questions, which can put students at ease. It can be for any subject or really any topic, even outside of school. People use Kahoot for businesses or just like trivia night with family. It can also help teachers assess which subject students might need more help on. Like, there's a feature where you can see like the data of each question and see how many students missed it, etc., to find out where they're at based on their learning. And this is what does it look like. This is kind of when you go look up Kahoot, which for students it's join game, or teachers can create a Kahoot and you can log in. Now, this is mostly like the student aspect of it because I'll be getting to the teacher portion later in this video. But when they like type in Kahoot, they can either like do a QR code or just enter the game pin. And then each question will look like this. They'll have the question, maybe an image, maybe not. And then they'll have the answers, and they just have to pick which one's correct. And this is what it will look like on their screen for them, and this is what it will look like on the board. Now, this is kind of like the loading screen. As you can see here, like, students have the characters, they can pick their name, which teachers obviously tell them just to put their actual name and nothing like this, because that can cause disruptions in class. But they'll have the game pin or the QR code. They can scan it in their phones. So that's basically Kahoot for students. Now I'll get Kahoot for teachers. Now I've already created an account, and this is like the home page for teachers. They can create a Kahoot. They can also look at other like Kahoots that people have made. You can also take, like, as you can see here, Google Slides and connect it, so that way it's easier for teachers to navigate this. You can also go through like templates and all kinds of things. There's also like really fun games that you can play through here, like discover, like there's all kinds of things. Like, even outside of school, like there's Kahoot for like Disney and like Valentine's Day. Like, you could do little fun activities with the students on holidays. And you also have a library where it like shows you each Kahoot that you created for your students, and you can go to courses and you can assign them to your classes, which is really neat. And it would be very easy to, if you had different classes or different subjects that you're teaching, you could just put it in a folder and it'd be really easy to navigate. And reports is very important because you can look back at the data that the students are having trouble with or what they're really acing on. And you can also like go to groups, you can join other groups, you can collaborate and communicate and share your Kahoots with like other teachers if you're like you and your team partner are doing stuff for a class. And there's also a play zone, like I was saying earlier. You can have like, you can do fun games through Kahoot as well, which is very convenient if you just wanted to do like a little fun game for students, maybe with math to help them better with fractions, etc. But this is basically Kahoot for teachers.